Welcome to the first episode of Grandstand Gossip! Woohoo!
Finally.
We're your hosts. I'm Benna,
I'm JM.
JJ.
and we're here to talk about anything, everything
F1.
F1.
Yes.
So,
Let's start with our background. So how did we come up with this grandstand gossip?
Oo nga.
I think it was you.
really, you heard that, guys? This was all my idea. I'm just joking. No, I think it started when I joined you guys this year, January.
March. March.
Sorry. yes, it was March because January was Australian Open,
Tennis.
and then you've got cricket in Feb,
Yes.
and then March is the Australian Grand Prix. So that's
Yes,
how
F1.
the summer in Australia works. So yes, I did join you guys in
That was
First
qualifying.
and last.
yes, that's what I said during that time. That was my first and last. My God, it was too hot.
Bakit?
It was too hot. It was too hot. But then yeah, that's how we started. So these two ladies are really into F1. When I say really, they I think they know their stuff.
Disclaimer, we're not hardcore fans. We
Not
got
at
into
all.
F1 because of
Netflix.
Drive to Survive.
Or
Yes.
DTS.
Yes,
God, I
so
thought it was
F1.
BTS fans only.
We're loud and proud DTS fans. So if you're looking for any expert analysis, go somewhere else.
This
to
is
Sky
not it.
Sports.
Correct. Hey, don't sell yourself short. You know your stuff. I'm yes.
She researched.
Yeah, she researched.
Every
She watches.
after race.
And I
Exactly.
watch races, yes.
Correct.
So yeah, so that's how it started.
Yes, they were doing side commentary and making me understand what's going on, who's driving in front of us, because I have no idea who's the driver. So, and then we continued that one after the race or during the race, during the entire season.
Are we good teachers naman?
Yes, you are. Because I you know how that's how we started with the gossip as well. Because I think I just follow the gossip side of it.
Yes.
I
They
look
give
at
us the
memes,
they share the
exactly.
memes.
So
And
from
then
grandstand to the group chat nga.
So it's currently the summer break in F1 season. So we're halfway there. 14 races down, 10 races to go. And,
Okay, yep.
This for Benna's sake,
And for everyone who doesn't know
F1, they will always have a summer break every F1 season. So it's where it stools down for all teams. So 2 weeks of no work, just rest and relaxation for them.
Puro yan.
Yes,
Yeah,
puro-
That's where the gossip is, you think?
Yes, yeah. I saw one. I shared it with you. Max was still racing, but in a golf cart.
There you go.
But anyway, so that's why we're here. We're gonna do our mid-season recap. So, are you guys ready?
Yes, before we start the mid-season,
Mm.
maybe do some recap about what happened
What
last
happened?
year,
Yes, so
2024.
Ano nga ba
Let's
yan?
let's set the scene. No, 2024. Baka nakalimutan mo na. 2024 was very close in terms of both championship, the drivers and the teams itself. So drivers, very popular or very controversial yung Lando versus Max. It was close between them, at least leading up to the last 3 races. It was Lando versus Max. Max, of course, got his 4th world title.
Yeah.
And the championship for the teams were down to the wire, as in the last race. It was in Abu Dhabi. So it was McLaren versus
Red Bull.
not Red Bull, Ferrari.
Ah,
Ferrari
really?
girl.
Ah.
Yes, Ferrari. Yes.
Talaga nga.
Sorry, correct.
Okay, sorry. It was McLaren versus Ferrari, and of course, McLaren won their first world championship, I think, for how many years?
Yes.
And they celebrated in a grandiose way. They flew to Bahrain, private, I think, something like that. Yes,
Oh,
that's what they
wow.
said. So that's 2024. It was very close.
I tuned out na eh.
Oh, because you know
Ah,
why?
The week
yes.
was out, so
Yes. So
didn't really care
the
the rest of the year.
The biggest news, the start
Yes.
pa lang ng 2024 was Lewis moving on to Ferrari. The big
Ah,
Very
yes, that one. Yep, yep.
Yes. So and
Is that why you're wearing Ferrari at the same time
Yes.
wearing a
Yeah,
Mercedes?
this is all Lewis inspired. How about you guys? Explain a
of
little.
course, I'm a
Charles
Ferrari fan.
Leclerc.
Charles Leclerc.
Ferrari or Charles?
Charles first, then Ferrari.
I
How about you?
love McLaren, and I think orange is my color.
Oh,
Who
What do
is
you think?
McLaren? Lando or Oscar?
Lando for some
Lando.
reason.
Really?
Yes.
Yes.
I like the curly hair.
Yeah.
It's the curly
I
hair.
thought that it's the Australian in you.
Anyway, so
That one.
that's 2024. Now heading into 2020, 2025. 2025 is the last year of the current regulation. So every 4 years they change regulations. So at the beginning of the regulation, start 2022, the teams are more spread out in terms of their performance. Some got it right, some got it wrong.
And then
And then as the years go by,
Yeah.
they would copy each other. They would find, some seconds here and seconds
And
there.
they would
Introduce
close the
front
gaps.
wings, and then they would close the gap. And since this is the last
Mm.
year, it's anticipated to be the tighter race. The grid will be tighter
Is
than
it
ever.
tighter though? Okay,
Well,
we'll go to that.
We'll go there. So that's the
Yeah.
2025. Oh, also 2025. There's since Hamilton went to Ferrari, so there's a domino effect. It's been a driver silly season.
Circus.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a circus. So
Circus like
yes,
drivers.
it's like a trip to Jerusalem.
Okay, yep.
Kind of
Musical
drivers.
chairs.
Yes, musical chairs. That's the term. So Carlos, of course, was out of his seat in Ferrari, so he went to Williams with
James.
Alex Albon and with my team principal James Vowles,
Oh, that's the
the baby tutu.
Yes.
The baby.
So
tutu.
we would not only talk about drivers here
Yes,
or
we're into TPs as well, team
course.
principal.
principals and the
Wags.
Of course. Very important.
Correct.
So,
Okay.
yun na nga. Carlos went to Williams. And then, Kimi Antonelli.
Oh, I
rookie.
like that kid.
Yes.
I watched his Netflix series as well.
Yes, that was good.
But it's purely Italian. Oh.
Yes, he's only 18, so he replaced the seat in Mercedes.
It's promising. I
Yes.
can see that.
So he's there with George Russell. And then we've got Perez losing his Red Bull seat. And he's now replaced by
The favorite.
not so rookie, but still rookie. Your
Liam
favorite,
Lawson.
Liam Lawson. Bakit mo ba siya favorite?
Marami
My
siyang
God.
feelings.
Don't make it controversial.
First controversy. Okay.
See, I don't even remember him now because I don't really like him.
Okay.
He's not humble. I should say that one. I think that's probably the
The drive
easiest
to
way to
survive.
explain.
It's probably the drive to survive edit as well.
Is
No?
it?
No, and he did something. He was overtaking someone, or he did something
the one
wrong.
Who
No,
did
wrong.
the
Sorry.
flip of the finger with
Yeah,
Sergio.
yeah.
Yes,
Perez.
that one. Yes.
And he had something with Alonso.
Come
as well.
on, be respectful. He's Sergio Perez
So
for Christ's sake.
he replaced Perez, but not so long. Not for long.
We'll go there.
We'll go
yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, so he replaced Perez in Red Bull. And then in the sister team in Racing Bulls, it was still Yuki with a new rookie, Isaac Hadjar. And then we've got Ocon moving on from Alpine to Haas. And he's paired with another rookie, Oliver Behrman.
Kaya pa.
Kaya
pa?
Don't ask me. Don't
And,
ask me.
this one,
after.
We'll have a quiz.
Exactly.
afterwards.
So,
That's probably for our next episode.
and then
What did I learn?
we've got another rookie, Jack Duhan, an Australian.
Oh,
That's the Australian. We
Yeah.
saw him. We saw him.
You like
Yes,
him.
he's a good-looking kid.
Yeah, so he's
Yun lang yung
he's
comment.
promoted. He's promoted from reserve driver to full-fledged tama ba?
Pledge.
Full-fledged F1 driver sa Alpine. So with
So where did he
Pierre
start
Gasly.
again?
He was a reserve.
Ah, okay. I think his dad is a famous
Yeah.
motor
Motor
Mm.
bike.
bike, yeah,
Something.
something.
MotoGP, I think.
Yeah, there you go.
And then we've got Nico from Haas to Sauber. Bottas is out. Bottas is now Mercedes reserve and the mentor of Kimi. So
Is
Nico,
he the mentor?
Oh, really?
Oh, wow.
All this time I thought he's still a driver. He's
I thought
driving
he's
for.
just a reserve driver.
he's reserve and he's also like
But that's cool.
dedicated
Oh.
mentor for Kimi.
And marketing, I would say.
Yes.
Ah, yes.
definitely. Yes. So
Especially for Australian
Nico is now
GP.
in Sauber with another rookie,
Mm.
Gabriel Bortoleto.
Yeah,
And,
okay, move on.
Yes.
Okay, next.
I think that's about it. So we've got 6 rookies this year.
Ah, yes.
Chaotic.
Are you taking notes?
I'm trying to think. So that's Kim,
Yeah.
That's
Kimi,
Liam.
there's Liam, there's Isaac Hajar,
Hajar,
there's Jack
Jack.
Duhan, and then there's
Ollie.
Oliver.
Bearman,
Oli,
yeah.
Oli Bear. I call him
Oli
Oli
Bear.
Bear. Because they call
Cute.
him the Bearman.
And then last
then
one
who's
is
the sixth is-
Colapinto.
No, Bortoleto. Colapinto, we can talk about Colapinto later. It's
Oh,
Jack
yes,
Duhan for
yes,
now.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright.
So that's
Ah, yes, yeah, I got. I think I remember
We'll
that
go
story.
there.
Yeah. Okay.
got it. We've got the
Yes.
stage
We're with you.
set.
Yes,
You're with me, you're
kinda.
with me. So
It's only the start. We've got 4 races to go.
first race, we're in
Australia.
Melbourne. Yes, our home country.
Yes.
We watched qualifying. It was too hot.
It was too hot.
The race was the opposite. It was raining. And with
Yes, I
rain,
saw that on TV.
there's
There's a lot of
chaos.
drama.
Yes.
Drama.
So here's my recap. Ready? Race day turned chaotic as rain rolled in. 5 rookies.
Mhm.
5
Wow.
rookies were out. They retired along with
So who's left?
Carlos and Alonso.
Oh, I
They-
think Kimi.
Carlos is
Right?
Kimi.
yes,
Ah,
Kimi.
yeah.
Okay. Safety cars kept the field tight. McLaren looked to set for a 1-2 finish until
I
both
remember this.
ran wide because of the wet track.
Yep.
Yep.
The Piastri slide onto the grass, tumbling down
yeah.
the order. He tried to do
Naalala ko nga,
the
he
reverse.
said na out na siya. But
Yung-
then he reversed.
See,
Piastri
yeah,
on
yeah.
car, yes.
I think he was able to make some
Yeah, so he
spots.
Yeah, so he finished P9, still in the points. But because of that, it was
Okay, so
we were left with Norris and Verstappen to duel it at the front. And Norris won by 0.8 seconds with Russell
Whoa.
P3 and Antonelli
And
P4. Impressive.
Ang galing
Impressive
talaga ng
finish.
batang yun.
The only rookie to finish. So that's Melbourne.
And he looks so humble as well. I'm an Antonelli
Yes,
fan.
yes.
What's the next race?
We went to China.
Okay,
Shanghai.
yep.
This is the first sprint race. And if you remember, may sinend ka sa aming meme.
What is it? I can't remember.
Never ask the Ferrari fan
What happened in China?
Ah, hang on. Yeah, I think remind me.
Because it was really, well, it was promising start because
Yes,
Hamilton
I know.
Hamilton
So I was
won the
ready.
sprint. So first ever win with Ferrari. It was such
Oh
a
my God. It's such a
celebration.
high.
And then came the race. Ferrari finished 5th and 6th.
What do they
during the
get if they
race.
win the sprint?
You get some
You get
points.
some points.
Ah.
8 points is the
Minimum.
max.
Is it 8?
Yes.
So for our listeners here, what do they do in sprint?
It's like a mini race.
It's like a mini race. So they do a qualifying for
Yep.
the sprint
Yep.
as well. Sprint
Oh, wow.
qualifying.
So there's
So,
yep.
Sprint qualifying on a Friday, and then Saturday is sprint race, and then it's like a half of the
Like
half of the race.
20 laps.
Yes.
Ah, okay. So it's a
Yes.
shorter version of a
Yes.
main. Okay.
Yes, and then
And
right
you still get
after that,
points
Qualifying
it's
for the main
qualifying
race.
for
for the
main
actual
race.
race.
Ah, okay.
Yes. So I don't know what happened to Hamilton winning sprint race and then falling
Nothing.
off the
And
cliff.
then nothing.
But anyways,
Well, what happened? Okay, yep. Finish.
during the race, they actually finished decent, like 5th and 6th. But then they got disqualified after. Because
Oh,
of-
that was that.
Yes, it's
Ah.
heartbreaking because of I think it was plank
Is it the
wear.
way?
car weight for Charles, and then plankware for.
What is
Plankware is like there's a wooden plank underneath the F1 cars, like a floor.
Yeah.
So it nababawasan siya. What do you call that? It's got wear during the race.
Yep.
Because the cars are so low, right?
Ah,
on
so,
the ground.
yep.
So
Yeah.
it's kids.
Yep. Okay.
And then there's a minimum height, and they didn't meet that minimum
Oh, I didn't know
plank.
that.
Yes. So
Oh.
and then Charles' weight he didn't reach the minimum weight by
Yep.
1 kg. So kulang yung pag-ikot-ikot niya ng lap para kasi yung gulong kapag na siya during the end of the race, may wear na yung gulong, diba? So nakakapag-attract na siya ng debris. So usually ginagawa nila, umiikot muna sila sa track para magkaroon ng maraming debris yung gulong, pampadagdag sa weight.
So wait. Yep.
Yes.
Oh.
But this time, 1 kg. So both got disqualified. Yes. So that's the China.
So who moved up because of them?
So, but Oscar won. Oscar
Yep.
won in China, in Shanghai.
Number
So
2.
he managed to bounce back from Australia.
Yeah.
Number 2 is Lando, and then third is George, rounding up the podium.
In fairness to George. diba?
Yes.
Not to be
Yes.
fair. Mm-mm.
Yes, Antonelli still in the points.
Well, yeah.
Yes, he's
Slow and steady for
yes,
Mercedes.
kept-
Exactly.
Yes.
And I think that was Toto's strategy
I think
anyway.
So, long
Is
race.
it?
It's
Yep.
a long season.
Ollie got his first points. Second race, first points. Ollie. Max was fourth, but his teammate, so sad, your favorite, Lawson in 16, and that could have, sealed his deal. in
16. So that's how many drivers? 20?
Yes.
Mm.
Yes. Anyways,
Anyways.
so
Didn't-
that's Shanghai.
Yes.
Yeah. We go next to our first triple header of the season. So Japan, Bahrain, and Jeddah in Saudi Arabia. So Japan, the big
Sorry,
news
why do you
is
call it triple header?
because normally a race there's a break in between races. So usually it's every fortnight,
Yep.
but
Okay.
then this one it's every week.
Week for week.
So that's why it's a
okay.
triple header.
Oh my God.
And it's very challenging for the teams.
drivers.
Correct.
For
Exactly.
for the drivers, yes.
Is
But
is
not
this
so
like
much.
logistically?
Logistically, for the
Middle
teams.
East, right?
So from China to Japan to Bahrain and Saudi.
Mm.
Yeah, so Japan, it's very boring. Basically, the race was won during qualifying. So whoever qualified, they finish as per their qualifying position. So Max, then Lando, then Oscar. So it was just like a
Parada.
parade. Yes.
Parada in short.
Yes, exactly.
What does that mean? Like there's
There's no
There's no overtaking.
There's no drama.
There's no drama.
because they're just
Okay.
so way ahead of everyone and
No, they were just following. You can't overtake apparently in the Suzuka
Suzuka. It's
track.
hard.
It's very narrow, and
Yeah.
the F1 cars are so wide, so there's less overtaking.
So
They just
so
You know, they
so when
just-
you go and watch Japan Grand Prix, you should just watch the qualifying because that should be it.
exactly
Yeah.
yes. So yeah, and then we go to Bahrain. Bahrain is the opposite. It lit up the season. Basically,
Ah.
the season started. So
Wait,
the race-
That's race what? 4
Liam got sacked, right?
in
when-
Japan.
In Japan.
yes. So I'm sorry, I
Oh.
forgot.
That's a highlight, girl.
This is your social media thing.
I know. That's
So,
why
yeah.
I said
We
it.
talked about the Shanghai is him
This is
finishing
16. Yeah,
16,
yeah.
which sealed his fate basically. So I wouldn't call it
Ayun.
demotion kasi mas mabilis yung
Racing
Bulls, but
Bulls.
he was out of the Red Bull seat, but he's
Yeah.
replaced by Yuki
Yes.
for the Japanese race.
And my
Yes, I think I remember that, which makes sense. They loved him.
Well, we were
Yuki's
talking
Japanese.
about why didn't they even start with Yuki,
Yuki
in the first place.
Yeah.
Yes. But anyways,
Anyway.
so Liam went to Racing Bulls, Yuki went to Japan. That's the only drama that happened in Suzuka.
So he's not really sacked. He was just moved to
He was, yes, because they were their sister.
Yep.
But technically, parang ganun na yung ano nila.
Uh-uh.
He was demoted.
Demoted.
Yes. And Yuki was promoted.
But he's the principal. No, he's the main driver for racing.
They don't have main
They
driver.
don't have they don't have 1 and 2. Kasi rookie
It's a
naman
junior
yung
team.
both of them are rookies na.
Okay.
Ayun. And then Yuki was doing so well though before.
He was so
sa
good in Racing Bulls and
because he was trying to prove na Red Bull did something. Na
yes.
parang hindi
I think he
magandang
wanted to,
decision.
yeah.
Oo.
But after Yuki's performance, like in Japan, everyone knows that they owe Perez an apology because it's not the driver; it's actually the second car. No one can
They
drive
say
it
it's a curse.
other than Max.
Yeah, I think I saw that one. Like
Oo.
even Albon.
Alex explained it
Alex,
so
there
well,
you go.
yes.
Yes, I saw on Instagram on that one.
Yes.
He explained it actually really well.
Sinasabi niya na hindi yung car, pero the way he explained it.
It was the car.
It was a car, exactly.
It's
It
the
was
way-
the way the
It's the setup.
the analyst was saying it's because the Max's feedback has more gravity or has more. Basically, they developed the car according to
Around,
Max's.
Yeah, that's how I understood how when I saw
Yes.
Alex's post,
So we all
interview,
owe
sorry.
So,
Perez an apology. It wasn't him.
thoughts on Liam?
Liam, I feel for him.
No, but-
actually.
Yes, me too. I don't like
he was so
him, but,
he was so
you know,
downbeat after that. Can you imagine just giving
just
him
after
2
2
races?
races.
Yes, like 2 races is not enough to prove yourself, right? But
very
he was
cutthroat.
so. I think what Christian said in the post, it was for his well-being that they move him back to Racing Bull.
Okay.
Maybe he's not coping to the pressure. But anyways, let's go to Bahrain.
Okay.
Bahrain.
Yep, the fun one. Yep.
Yes, so it was full of overtakes, wheel-to-wheel action up and down the grid. There's a mid-race safety car that set up a thrilling 4-way fight between Norris, Russell, Leclerc, and Hamilton. Ferrari being Ferrari, they gambled on hard tires for Leclerc, while George went for the softs, which paid off. So he then went to finish second, splitting the McLarens. So it was Oscar, George, then Lando, then Charles, P4. Lewis, P5. So it was a good, kind of good
Decent.
Ferrari.
Decent.
Where's
Finish.
Verstappen?
Max is, Max is P6.
Okay, yep.
P6, yes. So by now you can tell that Red Bull doesn't have the best car. It's McLaren.
Exactly.
But the star was Piastri because he kept his cool during the restart and he converted his pole to win. Sonoda, Yuki, in Red Bull, scored his first point.
There you go.
Oh.
Finally.
I actually like him. He's so funny.
I like Yuki. I feel like
He lacks discipline, but he's fine.
No, he's not. He lacks discipline during his first year.
Yeah, I mean,
But now he's really good. Makikita mo yung katawan niya, ano na.
Talaga?
Yeah.
I think I was basing it from when I saw him on
DTS.
Yeah.
His first year.
He's mature.
More mature.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And then
I like him
has celebrated their first double points finish.
Speaking of Haas, who's the new
Ocon and Berman.
No, who's the new principal?
It's Ayo Komatsu. He's the
We don't know.
So he was there when Gunther was the team.
I saw that on
He's the technical director.
I think they showed that in the
recent
the 2024
He's actually good.
What is what's his name?
Ayaw.
No, the previous one, the funny guy, and Gunther. What does he do now?
I
think he's doing
He's doing content creation too. He has his own vlog.
And he's the star of Netflix.
If you want to join us.
He does commentaries as well, especially in the US. If it's a US race, he's there.
Talaga?
He's based in the US.
Sorry, I'm
So
got
yes,
distracted.
has celebrated double points finish. Behrman came from P20 to P10.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yes.
Well, how about the?
surprised?
Because he's a rookie, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
to make it.
Yes.
I mean, Piastri
Yes.
was able to do it, but
Mm.
it's Piastri.
So yeah, that's Bahrain, and then we go to Saudi Arabia in Jeddah. Another Piastri win, so 2 in a row now.
I think he's my second now.
Yeah.
Si Piastri.
If Lewis is not winning. Mag-orange na ako
Orange
next
na tayo
year.
next year.
Yeah.
Kapag nasa grandstand
Support
tayo.
na natin
Yes.
ang Aussie.
Yes.
Sa
So
bagay.
Siya ka kasi, iba talaga. The discipline.
calm and collected
Yeah.
Piastri.
How is he on when being interviewed? Is he okay?
He's very cool and calm.
Okay.
Even when
Yes.
he makes mistake, parang
He's just
he would own it and then move on.
yes.
How old is the kid? Papos, tama na.
23?
Move.
20.
Okay.
Very young.
Mm.
Yes. And no one expected him to be this good. Like everybody.
Yeah, exactly.
At the end of 2024, it was Lando and Max, right?
Oh.
Correct.
So-
I'd never heard his
Yeah.
name.
So everyone's like, if McLaren is good, it's Lando's team.
Mm.
But then,
Oh, they were very sure na.
yes,
Oo,
and then
na it's Lando's
Oscar
turn.
No, but
upped
I-
his game.
But I remember the 2024 series. They were trying to choose. They were deciding if they would want Lando to be like the main driver,
Number one. But
the number one.
But Zach says there's no 1 and 2.
Exactly.
Mm.
So there.
But then they were still questioning if that was the right strategy.
Yes. But
So-
now,
I think it is.
Oscar prepared,
Yeah.
came prepared.
Yeah.
So he's second 2 in a row, basically. And the highlight of the race is during turn 1, lap 1, he went wheel to wheel with Max.
Oh.
So remember pag si Lando tsaka si Max, laging talo si Lando,
Yes.
di ba? Lagi siyang nag-evading. Pero si Oscar talaga.
Di ba sabi nga sa social media, it's because of the friendship, kaya nagpa-back out si Lando sa mga ganun.
No, that's the gossip, guys.
Si Oscar. Si
Bring
Oscar
more.
lumalaban.
Yeah, I think they're
Lumalaban.
friends, isn't
Kasi
it?
di
They're
ba
close.
nag-away sila before?
Sino?
Si Max and Lando.
Yeah, 2024. Kasi
Misunderstanding.
it was close. It was close
Yeah.
championship. So talagang
Pero since
misunderstanding
then,
sila.
parang nag-ano na sila,
Mm.
parang, don't wanna ruin this friendship.
Pero si Max din naman talaga. Inamo
Oo
rin
nga,
naman niya
yun
si
nga,
Lando.
kasi nga.
But anyways, so lumaban si Oscar. Si Max nag-move off track. Siya yung nag-evading action. In-overtake niya si Oscar.
Really?
Off track, which earned him a 5-second penalty. So sabi ni Oscar, no, don't. Not me.
Not me, correct.
Yes.
We're not friends.
Yeah. So Charles delivered the first
We're still
podium
talking
of
about
the
Charles.
Of
Oh, yeah,
course.
sorry.
Okay.
Charles made it to P3
Okay, there you go.
Yes. with good tire management.
Kailangan talaga sabihin,
yes.
good time.
Di mo na lang
Lando,
sinabing good driving.
Tire management. Si Lando, he had a poor qualifying, so he only qualified P10, but then he managed to finish 4th. So,
Oh, wow.
mabul naman siya. And then Williams scored their double points finish.
Albon and Carlos,
So
right?
Sainz kept Albon in his DRS so that they both finished in the points.
Proud
And
na
what-
proud.
ano-
Look at it, look at her.
Drag reduction system, DRS. Kasi
Meaning?
if your gap to the front is less than
A
1
second.
second, you can open your DRS. So it gives you more
A
pace.
little.
Yes. So, kapag nandun ka within 1 second nung nasa harapan mo, pwede mo siyang i-overtake. Meron kang pace to overtake. Pero in their case, para hindi maunahan si Albon nung nasa likod niya. So, magkasunod sila ni Carlos. Kumbaga, sinama ni Carlos si Alex.
Ah, okay.
Ganun naman siya lagi.
Oh, nung sa
Naman
Singapore
talaga
din.
siya.
Yes, yeah.
Team
And-
player.
Team
Mm.
player,
Mhm.
yes. And Hajar picked up his first point in P10. So, rookie Hajar.
Nangyari na ba yung ano?
Yan yung Australian, di ba?
No.
No, sorry. Duhan pala yun.
French.
Sorry, yeah.
Nangyari na ba yung umiiyak si Hajar?
Melbourne yun, Melbourne.
Kasi na-aksidente siya
Yes, and
sa
then,
first round.
Formation lap pala.
Yes, oo.
And then someone said stupid siya or something.
So it was Helmut Marko.
And then Lewis's father got
Yeah,
sold.
yun, oo.
Oh.
Well,
Hamilton.
Mabait naman. Ay, talagang love na love niya yung daddy niya, diba?
And then he bounced.
No, highlight din yun.
Yes, he bounced back in Saudi.
Who's he?
Hajar.
Okay, yeah.
And earned his first point. So yeah, that's race 5.
Saan nga ulit si Hajar? Tingnan mo.
Racing Bulls. Take notes!
Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Yeah, I like him too. Yeah.
Naka-limit yung mga drivers doon sa...
So, gustuhan ko siya kasi para siya yung underdog.
Si Hajar, sige na nga, papanoodin ko pa. Lalabas na to sa sa Instagram ko mamaya.
Si Hajar.
Mukhang bibig na natin eh.
Si Hajar.
Where are we?
So that's the wrap of the first triple header. Max won in Suzuka.
Yeah.
Oscar both winning Bahrain and Jeddah.
Yep, really.
And then finally si Charles ay nagka-podium.
Kailangan mo isingit talaga, diba?
Kailangan talaga. Yun yung highlight for her.
Yes. Miami na, US na tayo. Miami.
Oh, yes. This is where the celebrities come in. Yes, Hollywood, baby.
Lots.
Lisa, diba?
Si Lisa yung nagano.
Si Lisa yung nagano ng finish line?
Oo, checkered flag.
Tapos may picture sila ni Max.
It's a sprint weekend again. So, and this time, Kimi qualified in sprint pole.
Siya nanalo.
Hindi pa siya nanalo.
Pole. So
qualifying.
Qualifying.
Oh, it was a touching moment. Yung tatay niya tuwang-tuwa, ganyan.
Ang cute-cute naman nila.
Hanggang sasabi na ni Toto sa kanila, okay, we're sprint qualifying pa.
Wala.
Kailangan, masaya na tayo, okay? Nag-celebrate na tayo, okay, let's head down.
Yeah.
Yes, but it was Lando who won the sprint ahead of Piastri and Hamilton. Naka-podium pala si Hamilton noon. Sa sprint.
So, dapat sa sprint na lang.
Sa sprint na lang yung natin.
Wala bang analysis? Wala bang analysis? Wala bang analysis about doon na bakit pagdating sa sprint okay siya?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not
Maybe
sure.
that's for another
Let's
episode.
take I will research. I will research.
Yes, research that one. Kung ano yung stats niya on sprints and normal races.
May nalimutan pala ako. There's some headline sa Miami. Max had his baby.
Okay.
Yes. Lily is the name.
The lucky charm. Ever since they got together. May sarili akong analysis. Ever since they got together.
Partner ba niya o
Partner.
Hindi pa sila kasal, diba?
Oo. Ever since they got together.
Tapos ano siya, diba?
World champion siya.
He became world champion.
Nung naging sila. Ay, ang cute naman.
Yes. And another cute story out of Miami is the Lego cars. During the drivers parade.
Doon nyo na lang narinig ulit si Lewis yung
tawa niya, grabe. Merong meme.
Nakita ko yun, pero hindi ko nakita. Gusto kong hanapin ko nga yun.
It was the only time the Ferrari guys love their car.
Nakita ko yata yun, oo.
Yes. So, the race, what happened in the race? So, Max started from pole, but there was turn 1 chaos. Norris got dropped to P6, so it was, again, Max versus Lando. Ito na naman, yung weakness ni Lando kay Max. So, he dropped to P6. Piastri pounced, forcing Max to have an error and go wide on lap 14, and then Piastri took the lead.
Max never has, parang hindi na siya nagkakaroon ng errors.
Medyo, ano talaga yung kotse nila ngayon. Anyways, McLaren bagged another dream result. So, Oscar, his third straight win in a row. Oscar na talaga tayo next year.
Orange.
And then Norris
the new
bounced
red.
back.
Orange is the new
Red.
red.
So Lando
That's
bounced
sweetie,
back
girl. I
to
love that.
P2.
Netflix.
Russell on podium, Max only P4, and Albon in P5.
Consistent din yun si Albon.
Parang nasa ano na
Silent
siya,
killer.
within...
Williams is like best of the rest, best of the
midfield.
midfield at this point. Yeah.
Sinong kasama niya sa team niya? Si
Carlos.
si Say. Yep.
Si Sainz.
Sainz.
Di ba nga sabi rin nila Matt and Tommy, another inspo ng podcast na to, na parang hindi natin masyadong pinapansin si Albon.
He's underrated, yes.
Oh, wait
But
till
he's
they have
good.
the...
He's consistent.
I think they're opening a Grand Prix in Thailand.
Oh, when is that?
I've heard that.
What if? Mag-Thailand na lang tayo.
Why not?
Anyway.
Oh my God.
So yeah, that's Miami. Welcome
That's
to
a race
Miami.
6.
Race
So
6?
we're 1/4 away. 1/4 of the entire.
Yes, your math is correct.
Yes. Half
There's
of
24 races.
half of the half. Yes, it's 1/4. There you go.
And then we go to another triple header. It's Imola in
Yep.
Italy, Imola,
Monaco,
Monaco, and then Spain,
Europe.
Barcelona.
Yep.
Yes, so the triple header. And without controversy, the beginning of the triple header, there's chaos or turmoil in Alpine. Their team principal resigned immediately.
Effective immediately.
Si Oliver Oaks. And then,
I'll pretend I'm interested. I swear. We're so excited by that guy.
She's so excited.
I know.
Oliver Oaks resigned immediately for some unknown reason. Ang sabi sa chismis ay may something related about his brother being related in another
Yun yung
controversy.
importanteng part. Bakit hindi?
Kaya nga, yun yung gossip dun eh. Ayan, interesado na ako ngayon.
And then, Jack Doohan.
He was,
It's about time.
After 6 races.
Ang extreme, no? One Australian is really, really, really doing well, and the other one, like, that's sad. But
So, Jack Doohan, after 6 races, is sadly out and replaced by Franco Colapinto, the Argentinian, who has lots of fans.
So with
And financial backers.
Why?
Lots of Argentinian sponsors.
Expound.
What do you
Bakit siya
mean?
maraming, bakit siya sikat?
Kasi, di ba last year, 2024, he replaced Logan Sargent in Williams. So, he was actually good during the first few races. No?
Sino to si
Franco Colapinto. Tapos, kasi yung Argentina, ano talaga sila? Sporting country sila.
Talaga?
Sporting country, diba? Football.
Tsaka ano?
Oo.
Tsaka polo. Napanood ko yung kay Prince.
So,
my God, I hate to admit it. I did watch it.
So they're crazy about their sports, and he's the only Argentinian.
Yeah.
Madami siyang fans, even last year pa. So, eto na nga.
Tsaka loyal yung mga loyal fans.
Pag natalo sila sa football, grabe.
Good luck.
Anyway, so yes. So, this is Franco's first race as a rookie in 2025.
So they really sacked Doohan. They didn't move or binalik sa demoted or something.
He's a reserve driver again.
A reserve driver. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh.
So, Kimi, our favorite rookie, is he our
yes,
favorite rookie?
yes.
You're Isaac? Okay.
Sino si Isaac nga?
Haja. Racing Bull.
Si Haja.
So, Kimi.
Sorry na. Sa lalabas na talaga siya.
Kimi is actually a home hero in Italy, Imola.
Okay.
So,
home race.
lots of expectations, but sadly, his race ended in a mechanical failure.
DNF.
Yes!
Thank you. Did not finish.
Yes. Verstappen won with a decisive late-breaking move on Piastri. So, it's Max. So, you can never count Max out.
Experience pa din.
And then, Max then Lando, and then Oscar for the podium finishers. So Hamilton was P4.
I realized, yes, there's Hamilton.
Ang sama nila.
And where's Leclerc?
Where's Leclerc?
Leclerc is P6. Albon is P5. And,
see?
Yes, very consistent. And Isaac is at P9. Yes.
Congratulations, Carl.
Thank you.
And now, we go to Monaco.
Ayan na. Leclerc's.
Leclerc's country. Yes. I was very hopeful. Qualify when you go.
Is he born and raised in?
Yes, he's a Monegasque. So hindi lang siya doon for tax purposes. But he was really born and raised there.
Yeah. Okay. Yep.
He's a Monegasque. He won last year, but sadly this year only qualified second.
Oh,
only 0.109 seconds apart. Si Lando ang nag-pole.
So, okay. Pero ano siya?
Second.
Hindi. So, number ano siya? 4. Ano?
Number 2.
Number 2.
Second.
Second. Ay, sorry. I know. Akala ko second siya sa qualifying.
Sa qualifying.
Yes.
And then
But
second din siya.
Kasi in Monaco, qualifying is the race. Or qualifying is the...
Kasi nga hindi rin same thing. Hindi
you
makapag-over.
can't overtake.
It's a street race.
So, it's a street race. It's got, barriers and walls. So, whoever gets the position in qualifying.
Most likely, they're the
winner. Unless you're Charles in 2022 at nagkaroon ng Ferrari strategy. At napunta siya sa third or fourth. Parang ganon. But yes, so he qualified.
So that's not bad for second place.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Kala ko naman talagang...
And this time in Monaco, kasi nga sobrang boring ng race, diba? They made that 2-stop mandatory, which made it even worse.
Meaning they have
kasi kasi ang minimum sa F1, you need to have 1 stop. So mag-change ka ng time. It's dapat ibang compound. So if you started from medium, you either finish in soft or hards, parang ganon. But here in Monaco, because they thought would make the race exciting with tire strategies, they made the mandatory 2 stops. So dapat 2. Kasi ang nangyari, first lap pa lang, may mga nag-pit na.
Talaga?
Oh, yes. So that they get the pit stop out of the way.
Gotcha. Okay.
And then, nagkaroon ng DRS team tactics. So, nauna ang Racing Bulls. Si Liam Lawson, tama. Nag-slow down siya. He slowed down purposely para mag-build ng gap between him and Hadjar, who's ahead of him.
Girl, I'm trying to pretend I'm interested in this one.
No, I'm actually interested.
Go.
So, to build a gap, so he can pit, so Hadjar can finish his 2 pit stops and keep his position. So, he ended up in P6. Lawson slowed down the whole pack. Yes.
So
to help
his teammate na makapit.
Hadjar.
Hadjar had to pit. Because you lose seconds in the pit stop, right? And then you lose
that's actually smart.
Yeah, but it made
You're
the race
saying,
so boring.
Okay.
And then, Albon was so frustrated, but they couldn't help copy the same strategy. So what they did is Sainz backed up because it was the pack. So Lawson was in P8.
We were so funny. We said it's boring, but we kept talking about the race. But anyhow.
Strategy say,
Liam was in P8. He was slowing down. And then Sainz was in P9. Albon was in P9. Sainz was in P10. Sainz even slowed down further so that Albon could finish his pit stop and keep P9.
Ang galing.
Yes. So James Vowles, ito na yung chika after. So James Vowles had to message Toto to apologize Because 11 si George.
dahil dun sa mga...
Because they have to play this game. You know what? George even overtook Albon
Yeah.
off track. And he doesn't care even if he was penalized because he don't wanna stay at the back of Albon. Pero he was penalized. So anyways.
So James apologized.
Totoo.
Amo niya.
So that was Monaco.
Amo niya pa din.
Let's be honest. Mentor, let's say. Yeah.
So that's Monaco. At least no.
Oh my God, we're still in Monaco.
Yeah. So remember, Oscar had 3 straight wins before Monaco. And then Lando won Monaco. So that's like a confidence boost. Kasi parang ina-attack na kaya siya sa social media nito.
Yun nga. Tapos nag-self-pity na rin si Lando. Na, yeah, I'm just a bad driver. Ganun yung mga sinasabi niya sa video before this.
So, anyways, let's go to Spain. Mga girlies.
Saan ang Spain? Saan sila
Barcelona.
sa Spain? Barcelona.
Next year, there'll be a Madrid race. Yes.
So dalawa na ang races sa Spain?
Yes.
Same time, magkasunod or
I'm not
different?
Sure.
Okay.
I haven't checked the 20.
So meron? So 25th race na yon.
Next episode, pag-usapan natin ang 2026
okay.
F1 calendar. Anyways, in Spain,
God,
it's again a McLaren 1-2.
Piastri
ahead of Norris.
Ito na yung kaya na boring na.
Kaya nga eh.
There's always one.
But it's exciting between them. Anyways, so Piastri won, Norris second. But ito
kahit wala
yung
si Leclerc.
Ito yung K-drama. K-drama season 2 between Max and George.
Napanood ko na to. Ito yung medyo nagsasagutan na sila sa
Max Verstappen meltdown. This one. So, yes. So,
ano yung season 1? Last year?
Last year, yung hindi sila nag-usa. Yung meron silang drivers dinner. Tapos hindi sila magkatabi.
End sila.
I think a big.
Joke din na parang tinabihan ni...
Ulitin mo.
The F1 drivers dinner last year, si Liam ang nag-chika na. Late daw si George. Pero kasi diba meron na silang something ni Max about yung...
Did you see this from DTS or from
Instagram?
Okay, yeah, go. Yeah, that's fine. This is a gossip. Okay, go.
Si Liam yung nagchika.
Nagchika. Okay.
Nag-guest kasi siya sa isang vlog.
Podcast.
Sinika niya to na. What went down during the F1. Kasi kulit din ng mga drivers. Kanya-kanya silang post ng Instagram pictures. Tapos si Lando. Yes, the 2 drivers that you know about didn't parang sit together or something. Parang nag-instigate din sila ng chismis Pati si Oscar din. Parang, di ba? Ayun. Tapos ang sabi ni Liam, nag-leave daw talaga sila ng empty seat sa tabi ni Max. Kasi wala pa si George. Late si George. Tapos nung pagdating daw ni George, nakita niya yung empty seat beside Max. Kinuha pa daw niya yung empty seat.
Yes!
Lumayo siya.
Yes. Naalala ko na ng chika.
Galing, yan yung chika ni Liam.
So that's season 1 of Max and George K-drama. What happened in Spain is season 2. Kasi, merong late safety car. So, okay na sana yung position ni Max. But then, he had no more soft tires. So, the team had to change him to hard tires. So, frustrated na siya. Why hard? Paglabas niya ng pit. And then, he was overtaken by Leclerc. Nagkamali siya. He went wide and then he was overtaken by Leclerc. And then, ran off track to overtake George. And then the team says, Max, you have to give the position back. Kasi ganun sa F1, if you overtake off track, you either get penalized or give the position back. Now he's still arguing with his race engineer. And then, what seemingly nag-slow down siya to give his position back to George. Pagsabi ni George, binangga si George! Si Max!
Binangga ni George si Max.
Binangga ni
Max si George.
Yes. He crashed into George.
Is it an accident or?
Well,
Or look
the
like
analyst said that he was driving angry, basically.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Okay.
So
It just so happened that was George.
no,
I
because it
think-
was George.
Kaya nga.
Because it was
That's a different
George.
story.
So yeah, so after the race, he got a 10.
I'll put
a
that
penalty,
down.
10
Yung
seconds penalty. So instead of finishing P5, he's P10. And then he's got some driver's penalty points. So he's just one penalty point from a race ban. And we're still in race 9. So sa cool down room, because they have cool down room before they go into the podium. So podium was Piastri, Norris, and Leclerc.
Oh, Leclerc's in the podium.
Was it? Was he? I think so. Yes. And then, i-retract ko na lang kapag mali. They were showing the replay in the cool down.
There was one where
Look at that.
oh my god.
And then we
You almost
touched.
touched here, no?
No, we touched here.
Oh, look, you just
I was just trying to make
turned
something.
into, you just turned into.
But hey, how bad they got a penalty for that?
Okay, then passed. Oh.
Oh!
God.
Oh my god.
Yikes.
I've done that before in Mario Kart.
So yun, K-drama, season 2.
Interesting.
But can we deep dive on that drama in our next episodes?
Oo, gusto ko yan.
Yes,
Drama.
okay.
I'll research.
And
Yes,
behind,
please.
behind all that drama, we've got Nico Hulkenberg in P5.
I think I remember that one. That's the one. That's his first podium.
No.
No,
This
that's
one
not
is
a
still
podium.
P5.
Sorry. Yep,
Yes,
that's
yes.
P5.
We'll get there. We'll get there. Hadjar, your favorite in P7. And finally, Alonso has his first points of the season. First point. Yes. So that's race 9. Juicy.
Because of Max and
And George.
Yep.